Limber up, stretch your way to better English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, limber up. This phrase is not only useful in daily English conversations, but it also gives us a glimpse into how language can be shaped by physical actions. So, let's get started and limber up our English skills together. Limber up is a phrase that comes from the world of physical exercise and sports. To limber up means to warm up the body by doing light exercises or stretches. This is done to make the muscles more flexible and to prepare the body for more strenuous activity. It's like preparing your body to perform at its best. The word limber originally means flexible or supple. It comes from an old term that referred to the flexibility of a piece of wood. Over time, limber up began to be used more broadly to describe the action of getting ready for physical activity by making your body more flexible and less stiff. In everyday English, limber up can be used both in its literal and metaphorical senses. 1. Literal usage. When someone says, "I need to limber up before the marathon," they mean they need to do some stretches or light exercises. 2. Metaphorical usage. It can also be used metaphorically. For example, let's limber up our brains for the quiz, meaning let's get our brains ready for thinking hard. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use limber up in sentences. Before every yoga class, I take a few minutes to limber up. The coach insisted that the players limber up to avoid injuries. We had a brainstorming session to limber up our creative thoughts. Remembering and using limber up can be fun and easy. Here's a tip. Think of your mind like your body. Just like your body needs stretching to perform better, your mind needs preparation to learn new things. So, every time you start a new activity, think of how you might limber up for it. And that's a wrap on limber up. I hope this video has helped you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is like physical exercise. The more you practice and limber up, the more flexible and skilled you become. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.